She said no to
Natalie, show me your face. Why not?
me.
Why not? Show it to me. Come on, you can do it. Give me your smile. Oh, stop it. You be nice. Show me your smile, please. Hey. Oh my goodness. You're being silly. You're not? Mwah. Look, there's my hair on your chair.
No.
Be careful, don't scare her. Natalie, I love you. Oh, you are sweet. Do you want some more cereal? Yeah? Here you go. Yum. Are you crunching it? Look, she started chewing her food. Do you want some more? Is that good? Hey, Natalie. Is that good? Is it good? Ooh, yummy. You want some more? Here you go. What's wrong? Mason, show me your new hat. What is it? And your watch? Can you show me your watch? Turn it over. I can't see it. I can't see it. Ooh, that's a nice watch. I like it. Do you like it? Yeah? Where did you get it?
I get a broken Getty bag from me.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some more, Natalie?
You got it in the mail, Mason.
Can you get some more cereal for Natalie, please, Mason? What do you mean no? What do you mean no?
Here's a couple.
Thank you.
If you want more, they're going to be right here, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Don't too much.
You want some more?
Natalie.
You're silly.
Come back here.